Hello everyone, welcome to our Tona bathroom manufacturing facility. Today, we will take you enter process of how a single panel transforms into our bathroom furniture. Let's go. First, the design is transmitted directly to the equipment for press cutting. The fully automated cutting system ensures that each panel is cut with an accuracy of less than 0.2 millimeter. Margin of error, not a choice. Next is the armor up phase. The straight edge bedding machine applies high temperature fusion to seamlessly bond the edge bedding. It also allows for a 6-color edge application for single parts, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and functionality. For non-straight edge panels, we use an prefill edge bedding machine. Once edge bended, the panels are swiftly transported to the next station where the track system organized and efficient. There is absolutely no traffic jam. We achieve precision drilling according to the design, using Germany's former fully automated drilling system, ensuring an error of less than 0.2 millimeters. Grooves are cut into the panels to ensure strong connection and functional design. Multiple holes are joined using mold joint machine, providing flexibility and stability during assembly. For decorative panels, we use an engraving machine to create beautiful patterns and designs. For complex edges, our skilled worker apply edge bedding by hand, ensuring a perfect finish. The panels are sorted and matched according to the order, ready for final assembly. Finally, the panels are assembled into cabinets. Each joint is tracked to ensure quality and functionality. And that's how our bathroom furniture is made. Every step is carefully executed to deliver high-quality products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.